Are you thinking of starting another business outside agriculture? Start processing. Whatever idea, whatever knowledge, whatever vision you have towards making money in other business is a great idea. In fact, it's the best idea. But why going into other business when there is so much opportunity, when there are many opportunity in agriculture? Did you know you can convert what you are doing into another thing that will still earn you money? Do you have crop farm? Do you have poultry farm? Do you have goat, fish, or any other farm that you are doing and you are bringing something out of it, something reasonable is coming out of that place, and you just feel like expanding the business to another level? Instead of going out to start another business, do you know you can still do another thing inside out of that thing you are bringing out? You can still convert and process it to something that will still earn you money. For instance, for those who are in fish farm, did you know you can open shop that you will be selling feed to other farmers there? Did you know you can convert your fish to smoking fish and you will still package it and be selling it out? For those who are doing poultry farm, did you know you can turn your chicken to frozen one and you'll be selling it for people that are around you? Somebody said something sometimes ago. He said people will come to you for what you have and not what you don't have. So if you have what people are looking for, they will come for you. The chicken you are making, you can change it to that of frozen. You can process it to that of frozen and you will be selling it out to people again. So inside this agriculture, the same thing you are producing, you are still processing it and you are still making money out of that. You are selling chicken out to other people and you are still making money out of the one you are still producing. So can you see that there is much opportunity in agriculture instead of going into other business that might just part you into two? You'll be thinking of agriculture and you'll be thinking of other business that are not related together. If you have crop farm and you're producing cassava, did you know you can turn cassava to that of gari? Did you know you can do that of cassava flour? There is so much opportunity in agriculture that you can go into instead of dividing your business into two. So you produce cassava flour, you can package it and do other things like that to make it a better one. So you can do that of gari and package it very well that people will buy it. You sell it to people, people will buy it. You can convert maize into powder too that you'll be selling to people. That will be, is it not somebody that did semo? So we have a lot of opportunity inside this thing. You can just think of something that you can do for people that they will be buying. Did you know you can convert pepper to powder one and still package it very well that people will be buying it? Can't you see these Hausa people that are in Nigeria? They will grind pepper and they will be selling it on the street. So most of us think they are doing rubbish work or they don't know what they are doing. They are actually making a huge amount of money out of what they are doing, but we don't know. So you can do yours and make and package it and make it a better one. If you have your goat farm, you can start a pepper soup shop. It doesn't matter. Even if you are not the one to do it, you can employ. There are some people that study food and nutrition in schools that are jobless in Nigeria. You can just open a bar, just do it of that of pepper soup. So they will be killing goats and they will be selling it. They will be doing pepper soup. People will be coming to your place to drink. You know, you can just open it with a bar, something like that. I'm not advising drink though, but this is part of business if you want to do business. So you just open that. So people will be coming to that place to chill. They will eat pepper soup and go. So you can turn that of pig farm too. You can process it to that of pork. People will be buying. You can do it that of fresh. There are a lot of people that are buying this. So put a banner in front of it so people will know what you are doing inside the shop. So they will actually come for you. If you start this business, people will rush you for the first time. This is the advice I do give to some fresh people that are going into business. They do complain that they are not seeing customers. I do tell them, those who are seeing customers, did you know how long they work to get their number of customers? So forget about thinking people are not rushing you and keep on telling people what you are doing, what you are selling. So within a very short time, people will realize and they will be coming to you, they will be patronizing you. So this is part of business. For example, that of pork meat, you can do it in a very simple way. Get a freezer. So you put it Q1 in the first day, tell people, sell it a little bit, people will know. So the remaining one, you put it in the freezer, you freeze it. The second day, you still come out, you still continue from where you stopped yesterday. So little by little, this business will grow. And if you think you can't handle it as a man, you can involve your wife. Just stop saying your wife, your woman is jobless. When there is job, you can put together for your wife out of what you are doing. So you two can join hands together and turn the business and make it wide. So you process it. So there is no need for you to go outside and start any other business that would divide your attention. If you are making money in one of these agric line, you can still expand it into another thing that will still fetch you a lot of money. If you have cassava farm, you can do that of cassava flour. So you dry it, people will come to you, they will buy it. Don't think of any other business outside. And if you know the business will earn you or good money, maybe you don't believe in this agriculture of a thing, or your mind is not on agriculture, you can go into that. But if you have settled for agriculture, there are a lot of opportunity to make out of agriculture. So don't go into any other business that would divide your attention. Just make use of the opportunity you have and expand it. This is what I want you to know about processing your farm produce instead of going into other business. Don't forget, I am your farm captain, Simeon, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as well, keep on watching all our videos. Don't forget to share and don't forget to like. Thank you so much. We love you all.